Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to continue promoting the $25 business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now we're only going to be using one account. Most people that know about My Lead Gen Secret have multiple accounts, sometimes 5 or even 10 accounts. We're using one just to show you guys that this works, and these are the type of results I'm getting from it, and you can too. Alright guys, so if you're interested in following along, links are in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. Alright, so first off, I want to speak on why I like promoting the $25 business and the company behind it, which is the Home Business Academy in general. It's because of their affiliate system, which is 80% commissions, and the $25 business in particular has 80% recurring commission, so you get paid every single month 80% of each sale you get. Alright guys, and that's very special. I've never seen anything close to that. Alright, so anyway guys, this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna refresh the page to show you real results. You guys don't believe results if it's not refreshed in front of your eyes. Okay, it looks like we did get a sale yesterday, or
Nice.
but maybe it's just a resale. I don't know at this point. I think it's just a resale, guys. Don't worry about it. Not a big deal. So it don't matter because I'm still making money from it. You know what I mean? So anyway, this is what we're gonna do here from here. First off, if you're interested in following along, this is what we're gonna do. First, we gotta get you an affiliate link to promote this $25 business. All right, guys. So what you want to do first, you want to go to my page, my video here. You want to go to my down here. You're gonna see my description. Once you get down to my description, you're gonna see the $25 business right here. Step 1, join it. Click on this. It's gonna take you to this page here. Once you get on this page, basically tell you how much money you can make with the $25 business, all that good stuff. Read over it, figure out if you like it and all that good stuff. But once you do, right guys, you say, hey, I want to try this out. You just click on one of these green buttons, say yes, I want in. It'll take you to this page here. You can sign in, put your name, all that good stuff. Alright, so one thing I want to explain real quick. You got that. I recommend you click this check mark right here for the HBA Premium, which is the training for getting sales, guys. Alright, and Merging Content Machine, which basically make content for you. So yeah, you want to check that out. All right, and the main reason that you want to check this out is because you can make all of your money, so to speak. Now the reason they're able to pay 80% recurring commissions is because of this. You have to have the product in order to get sales off the product. All right guys, so for example, if you were to come through here and just get the $25 business, right, by itself alone, then okay, that's cool. I'll get 20 of those dollars, right? But here's the thing. Once you get a sale and they decide they want this as well, right? And then they start paying the $125 per month, you will not get $100 if you don't also have this. You understand? Very clearly. So you want to have this check, guys, if you want to make all of your money and start scaling real quick. So anyway, so that's what I did. I just started paying right. I got everything right away and just started making money off of it. So I'm just showing you guys exactly what I did. All right. So once you sign up and all that stuff, you're gonna get to a page look something like. Well, first let me log in. You're gonna get to a page look something like this right here. And what you want to do, you want to click on the affiliate zone. You click on the affiliate zone, you scroll down. By the way, there's videos explaining everything. I'm just doing a fast version of it. You want to sign up for the affiliate program. Click on that, you sign in, put all your information there, right guys. Once you get finished with that, you're gonna log in the SoundCard, which is gonna take you back to this page here. Not gonna have any money up here, but you're gonna have your links, guys. This is the particular link. Hello. Here we go. This is the link that you want to use right here. All right, I got a little confused for a second. I'm sorry about that. But yeah, this is the link that you want to use here. All right. So now that you got that, guys, what you want to do is come back to my video here description, and you want to click on step 2 here, join the My Lead Gen secret, since you got your link. Now this is the absolute laziest way to make money online. Alright, so once you click on that, it's going to take you to this page here. Now what he's going to explain is the My Lead Gen secret system. Basically, TLDR, you get 100 leads every single day. Now understand that these guys are cold leads. These are cold leads, but here's the thing, they're very interested in making money online. So, and that's the type of product that we're promoting. So we're just gonna log in here, gonna sign in, you're gonna make your account, very simple process, and then you into the system here. Now what you want to see is My Leads, that's the email swipes mailing system. So My Leads, you can check all your leads if you want to. The master email swipes, they sell some email swipes. I recommend not getting them and just using the emails that I use, guys. You don't have to use you don't need master email swipes. Plus, if you got the emerging content machine from HBA Premium, you don't even need that. So you click on mailing system, and then you click on that, get 100 leads every single day. So we're gonna come down here, we're gonna do our next email that I wrote, my personal. I'm using those emails for right now. Alright, we're gonna use these. Full weekend of money keep climbing. This is the email that I wrote myself. Just pause the video to copy it. By the way, guys, I'm just gonna scroll down to show the whole email. Just pause. I'm gonna pause and you can copy it. Alright, just pause the video whenever you need to. There you go. Alright, you put your link right here, guys. Fill in your link. Make sure to hit perfect timing. That does send an email around time people check emails, so it's a better chance of them opening it up. Now make sure you hit preview here and make sure your link is working, guys. It is working. Good. Alright, so once you do that, you send the email and you are done, guys. That's all it takes. That's all it is. Alright, guys. Very, very simple process. Very, very easy process. Okay, so that's all there is to it. Now, like I stated before, links are in the description. I showed you exactly how to do it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.